on.
Yeah.
Hi, my name's Kelly, and welcome to my channel. Today is Abby's birthday. She's 16 today, and I accidentally put that the kittens were born on the 5th, but they were actually born on May 3rd. So we're going to do their birthday. I'm not going to light them because, as you can see, they like to chew and eat everything, but we'll do the birthday with them and go from there. All right, ready, guys? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Abby, Monty, Tucker, Bella. I forgot. Simon and Binks. Happy birthday to you. All right, guys. You want some cake?
I wouldn't know what to do with it.
Come here. You want some cake? You want some cake? Here. They're getting in the class.
Yeah.
You want some cake, Abatha? Now they're all being here in the class.
Yep.
Come here. What do you think? You want some of that? You want some cake? What about my Binksy? We're getting under the class. So here comes old girl.
Kill.
You want some cake? Him?
He's got plastic.
Yeah, I know. Alrighty. She's eating. Are you gonna eat? Come here, big man. That's Monty. He has to be a brother from another mother, as big as he is. Okay. Tuck tuck. Tuck tuck. Come here, tuck tuck.
I mean, yeah, they're not eating it.
Yeah, they're not. They're health conscious cats. Health. I don't know who we're missing. We're missing Bella and Sai Sai. So alrighty.
Hey.
Here goes Banksy. They're health conscious cats. What about Gypsy? Now, Gypsy goes way back. She's not one of the kittens, because she's one of the house mamas, and she's something special, and she likes to eat. So we'll see if she wants some Twinkie. She wants some Twinkie. Yeah, she'll eat the whole thing. Chips! Gypsy! Don't eat the whole thing. Holy God. Okay. I don't want you getting sick. Here. You want some, big man? Well, the kittens left, and now we have the old timers up here. Sunny D is right here, aka Monken.
Or monkey butt.
Monkey butt. But yeah, if you don't watch, Gyps will eat everything. So, alright. So that's my halfway birthday video that all the cats disappeared. So, thank you. But if you want to leave a comment, like, share, everything. Thanks for watching. See ya.